How do you treat hypovitaminosis D in infants and toddlers?
Treat vitamin D deficiency in infants and toddlers with therapeutic vitamin D3 to replete stores, then maintenance dosing. Deficiency is commonly defined as 25 hydroxyvitamin D below 20 nanograms per milliliter. Insufficiency 20 to 30, sufficiency above 30, though guidelines vary. Example regimens: infants under 12 months 2,000 international units daily for 6 weeks, then 400 to 800 international units daily. Toddlers, 2,000 international units daily for 6 weeks, then 600 to 1,000 international units. Hospitalize for symptomatic hypocalcemia or severe rickets. Recheck 25 hydroxyvitamin D, calcium, phosphorus, and alkaline phosphatase after 6 to 12 weeks, and avoid unsupervised megadoses. Watch for vomiting, polyuria, dehydration, lethargy, or poor feeding.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.